Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download your Strabo field data for use outside of StraboSpot. So we're here looking at my browser. I'm on the StraboSpot.org website and I'm logged into my account. So I can go to account, my data, and that brings us to this page. And here we can see our data sets. I have two, and this data set doesn't have any spots, so I don't have the download option. But this one that does contain some spots, I can tap download. And these are the options we have for downloading your data. Some common ones that I'll go over are shapefile, KMZ, and XLS. But I'll quickly also show you what the field book looks like. So if you tap field book, it'll open up another page. So this is a PDF now. And this PDF just contains all of the data. So these are the spots. Here's one spot, SD1, with our notes and measurements, that sort of thing, and the images as well. In terms of your other options, you can also just download the photos. You can download a list of your samples. You can download the GeoJSON file if you want to get into that. But for now, let's just download the shapefile, and I'll download the legacy shapefile here. Then we can also download the KMZ file for Google Earth and the Excel file. There they are. So this is what the Excel file looks like. So it does look a bit messy when it first comes out. These are the spot names. And here we have our latitude and longitudes. What we're looking at here are just the points. So these are point spots, and that's why they have a latitude, longitude. For our line spots, they're made up of multiple points. So these are the coordinates for all those points. Same with the polygon, because those are made up of multiple points. Then we have our orientations. So here I'm just expanding and we can look, we took a foliation, that was its strike, and that was its dip. So I guess here I measured a horizontal surface, and everything else that we might have included in that measurement. So in this case, it was a nice exfoliation, that sort of thing. So that's all there in the Excel file. The other thing we can look at is the KMZ file real quick. So in Google Earth, we can just drag that one in, and there it is. So if you want to quickly interrogate your data in Google Earth, you can do that. And if you tap, it'll give you some details about the spot. So here we have this orientation that we took. We have a whole bunch of lineations that we took, that sort of thing. Here we have two spots. So we have SD14, and then we have this spot here that includes the pictures and the annotated version of the picture as well, and this spot that's embedded within. Finally, we can look at the shapefile. So let's go into QGIS here. So when you download the shapefile, it will give you this, and I'll drag the shapefile in here. So those are my lines, these are my points, and these are my polygons. Here we are. And how about we zoom to our layer? And there it is. We can right click here and we can open the attribute table. So it does contain some information within. The polygons don't have much, but if I open this one, yeah, there's some metadata included here. So these are our trend and plunge for our lineation measurements. It's similar to what we saw in the Excel file. And that's how you download data.